In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your user ID or password in QuickBooks. This process will not only improve your account security, but also make sure your credentials are up to date. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. This action will direct you to the page where you can access your account details. It's crucial to ensure you are signing in using the correct platform, so next you need to choose QuickBooks Online. Selecting this option will lead you to the main login page tailored for QuickBooks Online users. Now it's time to type in your login credentials, enter your email or user ID along with your current password, and then click Continue. This step grants you access to your dashboard where you can manage your account settings and business activities seamlessly. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to your profile photo located in the top right corner of the screen. Clicking on this opens up a menu with various account options. From the drop-down menu, you should select Manage Your Intuit account. This area is the hub for taking care of your account settings, including resetting your user ID or password. It's worth noting that at this juncture, QuickBooks might prompt you to enter your password again for re-authentication purposes. This extra step is a security measure to protect your sensitive information, so make sure you have your login details handy. Upon accessing the account management section, locate the Sign In and Security tab. Clicking this tab will present you with options related to your login details. If you're looking to update your user ID, you can do so by selecting the User ID option. Here you will be asked to input your current user ID followed by your desired new user ID. Make sure you choose a user ID that is memorable yet secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once the user ID is updated, you may also want to change your password to boost your account security further. To do this, return to the Sign In and Security page and click on Password. You will need to enter your current password here, followed by a new strong password. Having a strong password means using a mix of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination will help secure your account against hacking attempts. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully reset your user ID or password in QuickBooks. Remember, keeping your account credentials up to date is a critical part of maintaining your online security. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials.